Hi everyone, Priya here and thank you for joining me in this week's video. Today I have another Valentine card idea made using the Mudra stamps and stencil. This card design is very simple and quick to make. So let's get started. For the card base, I am taking a 8.5 by 5.5 inch cardstock. Score it at 4 1/4 to make a 4 1/4 by 5.5 side folding card base. To create a stenciled background, take a 4 by 5 1/4 inch white cardstock. I am taping it down to my work table so that it doesn't shift while I am stenciling. Placing the stencil over the cardstock, I'll also tape it from all the sides. Using the cotton candy dye ink from Crafty Scrappers, I'll blend the ink over the stencil using the blending brush. Time to reveal the background. Look how stunning it looks. I'll place another piece of cardstock in my Misty stamping tool. For the focal point, I'll be stamping this floral heart from Mudra stamps. This is the Floral Love stamp set. I'm using VersaFine black ink for stamping. Ink your stamp nicely and then stamp it on the cardstock. I'm re-stamping the image to get a bold and crisp impression. Next, from the same stamp set, I'm stamping the "You Have My Heart" sentiment on the same cardstock. Using my alcohol markers, I'll be coloring my stamped image off camera. And here's how our image looks after coloring. So now let's go ahead and fussy cut it. It's now time to assemble our card. I have die cut the stamp sentiment using the double-stitched rectangle dies from Dynamics. However, if you do not have this die, you can simply cut it into a rectangular shape. Assemble the card just the way I'm doing it. I am embellishing the card using tiny heart shaker elements. You can also use beads or sequins of your choice. And here our card is ready. So that's all from me in this week. Thank you for staying with me till the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. I will see you in my next video. Take care and bye for now.